Have you ever lost an important document or wasted time aimlessly searching for one? We have a great free offer that can fix that. Filing isn't the most glamorous job in the world, so sometimes it isn't done as enthusiastically as it might be, hence lost documents. We will convert your existing dead files to a searchable format so they can be found by any word, name or number associated with that document, even if it's been misfiled. So why don't you call us today and we'll sort that for free. Hi, I'm Chris Anderson. I'd like to introduce you to our document Conversion Genie. Do you ever have to retype documents like this? Or retype figures into an Excel spreadsheet? How about creating easier PowerPoint presentations? Do you ever waste time looking for documents like this? This clever Genie is designed to save you time. I'll scan these documents in the different formats. Here we have a fully functioning Word document. Can you imagine having to retype all of this? It's fully editable and you can make whatever changes are required. Can you imagine having to retype all this data into an Excel spreadsheet? All you have to do now is add your formulas and away you go. How easy was that? PowerPoint presentations are as easy as that. When you scan as a searchable PDF, every word, number, date, name is searchable. For example, if we were looking for the word education, it's as simple as typing it in and the word is found for us. So no more lost documents.